Hey everybody, welcome back to the Mad Bald Man's Garage. Um, Wanted to kind of show off a couple things because I like them. They're really cool. I don't have all the parts for them, so really the only way I can assemble them these days is to pull them out of the exhibition. But there's a few builds that I have here that you might find interesting. I really wanted to kind of highlight the Goblin King. You see a lot of very similar builds to it. Really kind of compact. You can see I had the Torero cabin at the time. Stack in 6 shotguns. And I want to say that, yeah, it has 3 coolers in it. The shotguns just shoot forever. It's pretty quick. Not a big top-end speed, but a fair amount of acceleration to get there. And of course, tank nuts. At any rate, I thought I'd kind of was wanting to test drive this thing again, and see how it does. Against the 18, or the almost 12K tank. Couldn't quite get it in one ball. Still did pretty damn good, right? If you can get somebody who's stuck and roll up on them like that, and you can blow through a lot. It's pretty cool. Still just a great build, very popular out there, either cars or small tanks. You just have the big shotgun builds up front. Plus, it's really cool to take down a massive high-tech build with shotguns. The other cool thing here is this guy, and it's been a while since I've been able to fly him around. Twin Hurricanes, which is just really cool. Kind of heavy for a hover, to be honest. It turns pretty nimbly though. It's funny as I made this kind of when having 4 hovers wasn't the cool thing. It was, having 6, 8, 10 hovers. Let's see what we got. Yeah, I just have that there because it gives you good range. Yeah, man, solid hit, but it's still there. That was like 2 volleys of 5. So now 4 volleys of 4 or 5? That's a lot. Just barely, though. Fun build, man. Definitely kind of heavy, so it doesn't move around real fast, but you don't need a lot. Those hovers are pretty well protected. Well, they were, so a little bit of it's gotten shot off, I guess. There's probably one. Is there one more guy hiding around here? Oh, there he is. Aww. Really? Oh, goes the distance. Oh. So anyway, fun, and let you kind of get used to a hover. Plus, man, those hurricanes, they are fun. But even duels, you can see, you got to pound on the heavies for a little bit before it'll really make the difference. Anyway, neat kind of thing there. So check them out if you have a moment. You've already, checked out the grind. I'm sure Goblin King, small package. Boss Hog is pretty fun if you're into shotguns, which I am. Also, man, when do you get to use the large wheels? Let me see. Pretty serious. But again, sometimes. So, Nidhogg's, man, I know people kind of bash on them a little bit, but they're solid. Anyway, test them out, kind of mess around with them, let me know what you think. Alright, right on, man. This is the Mad Bald Man saying, hey, hope you see you in game.